meeting. Right Honorable Speaker, let me use this opportunity to assure the people of Ghana that we in the Minority Caucus will scrutinize the upcoming budget statement and economic policy of government with eagle eyes. Mr. Speaker, the prevailing economic conditions has already made it very difficult for the ordinary Ghanaian and businesses, and therefore we can't be a party to any policy or measure which makes things even more unbearable and in fact miserable for the already suffering Ghanaians and businesses.
Observe for way I am Raswegani or Rasweg Fima this year war a Jumako and Yen Nesima Baton Persuaso, Honorable Kessel Atoba Force and Yetin can we amra na and Ram Raswega Fono or more Esho Majumaya and Ana Odesan Semi Tuja Eshabo Sequent Biaso a ball when you normally be budget no actually. Na and watching Am Rasweg Fim Chamine, right honorable Urban Kingsford Sumana Babin so a yen say, so don't for ya dum na Kachamada Bujemoje Diamafusan. Any anti carbon bia, Nancy dum petition and personal with yet with so November Busumena Yeremun Neda etosu dunum abroswa. Now watching you know what dear, no swafu sikasem and an entity so Rasvega phone a yena wa 2 Amako Masika, Yababo my concrete Ghana Hobra if 2024 air crunino or the Ababa 2 on my name.
A few days from now, we'll be hosting the Minister of Finance present the budget statement for the 2024 financial year. We are proposing that it be done on the 15th of November. Please kindly take note of the date. It's not the normal date, 15th of November. As our oversight responsibility requires, we will have to scrutinize the budget, ensure that it serves the needs of all Ghanaians.
Observe to way and Rasweg Chiamehene, right honorable Urban Kingsford Sumana Babin and not yet in.
A fair boy Ramo was sent from Dia Quell a year run another down Quack for the Mampenny the more Melnosuna Cache. Now, what to the Numuto actress, a mamrani a mani away no, yan ton train and an unknown and someone one kaya, say Obini one will be a barn, and near my wood ya papano, and on our ba a bet to us once in a watcher say. Kuya won some year free to 10 ayo maya chi bremono wa ba ye na ba no eboa asomo apejano ama na kwosoro manetimi abo my Ghana nchechire ye na ne nyina mu no nimfia ka ne no so de na so no na ba mu emu ye obeto akwoso sebe ya na ho ode ne nyansam nyina no obetimi ye na afamu de sebe ya kuya ho nsam no ebetimi apeja na so me ya sene na ne nsam wese nyina wode tudwa ewo na tena ekese ye no ewo nkrapompo ni mantam wa bra $350 million wonya ye efri edumekuo bi ho ani nyina no eboa amakuya yo ho nsama peja wa bra no de receipt ahodo nyina ema ewo dwumadie na se no e na soafo ya wo hwe akuya yo ho nsam so ye Brian e champo wo so akasamumu e de asedane abasobode e de ma MPP aban.
Without a doubt, the success of the Planting for Food and Jobs program will depend on several factors. But for the purpose of today's discussion, I would like to focus on 4. The first one will require the active participation of the private sector. Secondly, financing these value chain activities by banks and other financial institutions and development partner programs will be critical. The third success factor will be increasing investment in supporting agricultural infrastructure and technology.
Yera Brian e champo wano ene yeso for ye kuya yo ho nsem so nyina no eda na bem na no de sem ene kokotie ye
na MTN Ghana mpenin forso so no mo aya mamrani amani anipa bed you know enso 27B ewo omayi mo titiru ne komase abonten so wo mo apege kire kakra de ama wuru mo a wo mo ede kwako rewura omodwadie mum oba pani a odo ani cha santemantema ya MTN Ghana Limited oye economic empowerment advisor de ma wunum Urayere Cynthia Mills said to just say Benfie Numunie and MTN Ghana penning for fatu or more so betu sana mono na brano or more mudija or more annual messia no more apesim pointing caprebi dia more de rero mojadiemo let me bomb or massetinamo tumpon and I'm so and ma enra or more edis edumaya kumasia bonten so or more atra kesia and wahase or more edisesike and mamma nipa be edunon soa in the or more edekwaku rero mojadiemo.
Na yesi nkrofo bebre yem board of directors who say nkrofo bebisa sika ebia 5,000 10,000 so mo de ko share edwuma mu enti ye hu say e wo say yeye project bia ye de beboa businesses, small businesses. Na omako omunim enteno to share ho say for the first year no 5 years, but first year no yenya no akra takra de ne kumase enteno. In total, interviews and selected beneficiaries. Beneficiaries, no more training in business management, financial management, and
Fonti, where you're right, Cynthia Mills, our economic empowerment advisor, Edema MTN Ghana Limited, Titru, and no matna ya, and was Santamanta Mase, na Omo Mutri ye, and Sakesi KB Susono, and de Asidema Rempimesi do, Edema Edumekuno.
Na my business doing the style and glamour paper bags and more. Yeah, packaging. Na packaging or any type of packaging at all. Yeah. Na and never time same for us our media fair or machine. To come with my yemi so. Na ye catch up must say or my money was say. If I say a business, division, na a business it's now for this so and ya fast so ever so. Yeah, make sure say a very fine public way.
Abza Fonti we ayomo a omutiri ye womo ensa kese KB na omodi aseda ema MTN Ghana no
afe ye ko emrahye bedwamachi amehine right honorable Abbas man against what Babe wano so nchen na panyi e de atodwa se wonom entena se enye ehwe ha wabra akoso mbotade ye no aba be se japade ene enipa abrabo no enkoso no te no wonom e ba be ye hwehwemu no mo hwe kwan pa e be fa so adache no sa wo se we se no ye ne we se no ebi entimi ensi bi no manya bambo kese so e de ama enipa kuokuo ya wonom tetade ahodo ho e wo omaiga na mu ha se no ni nsem nyina e de enu ada wabra wonom esan efri wa homigye ma won dwumedie mu ahye bedwem no wasa ebeto aso.
It plunged into destitution. The loss of property running into billions of Ghana cedis and the destruction of livelihoods have been devastating. I want to, on your behalf, extend our deepest sympathy to those affected by this calamity. Moments like this, we are reminded of our responsibility as representatives of the people. We will advocate that adequate resources be provided by the state to bring relief to affected persons. I know a lot has been done, still a lot more to do. And together with leadership, we have discussed a few things that Parliament itself will take.
Ebusiani Petin and Ken Emrahye bedwamachi amehine ya wano ho right honorable Aban Kingsford Babin. Na no see ya pe anadom kuma no ya wanom so Emrahye bedwam. Wanom so de ensem bi etudwa etrese voter river authority mpanyifo no. Wanom emra bonten no omunwem Emrahye bedwam. Ekwan akro ya chese fa so e ma sa wo ha wese nyina ba ye no. Wanom epa no ye e de afri wanom wa bra ensemisa ekwaso fi se wo hwe eye nkro bes aduana miensa ya wo ha wese to wonom na edo ye ne kese e na aba na no si ya pe na Emrahye bedwam panyipa ya wono agina mu wo so ame abato mpesua sofo anam wo ho right honorable chairman sabonso wono so e de ensem atudwa a kire sentrefo se ensem wa ekoso ne de enya de eye nsempa ne nyina mu no wonom ne achiamehene ebehia na de sefata no wonom atimi e de ato.
This year we were, thanks to the heavy downpours of rains, we are preparing ourselves for bounteous harvest. Unfortunately, we had this inundation of farmlands, no thanks to the massive rainfall and also the spillage of the Bagri Dam. That certainly is going to compound the food situation in the country, and the hope is that it will not lead to the skyrocketing of food prices to add to the already high levels of food inflation in the country. Because of the fear of breaching the dam, the VRA caused a spillage, controlled spillage of the dam. So the spillage of the impounded water has added to the troubles of those of them living downstream.
Yera ose chairman sabon so na shebe dwani de ma de hye mo so ami abato ampeso ya so na no de sem ene yekokotie ye no.
Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia de na pro ball ewo Bogatanga tifido apo e mantem no mo aba awieye no de atogya se MPP amanyoku atu ane ne yesa ane fo no nimpa so no ene obi o experience ya wakọ abato ni bi pen na wadi mu nkunim be mienu a so mo sa so de ne 2024 elections no a wadi nkunim ebebe fie. Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia emra no de ne nsam tugya wo Bogatanga bonten so eni.
I prayed about it and I decided that I will pick a form and win the flag bearership and break the 8 for the MPP. When we went to pick the forms, there were 10 of us who picked the forms, and our constitutions therefore mandated that there had to be a super delegates congress to select 5 of us. When we went to the super for the MPP, when we went to pick the forms, there were 10 of us who picked the forms, and our constitutions therefore mandated that there had to be a super delegates congress to select 5 of us. When we went to the super delegate, the victory we won. So we won on August 26 was across the country. And when you look at the results, Greater Accra region, Bawumia, Ashanti region, Bawumia, Western region, Bawumia, Central region, Oti region, Volta region, Eastern region, Western North, Ahafu region, Bono region, Bono East, Northern region, Savannah region, Upper West, Northeast, Upper East. It was.
Observe way I Vice President Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia de na pro boba wiye ewo atifido apoema ntemnemo Upper East region Bogatanga and all this answer me to ya yina we so na no pay some baba no de beso mo no ye de mo asiase kukua na chinchin fidie no edema yen asante ebo Benedict ne yesem for penny anope school fees and ne dom and the encore television so yen so a ye beso manope na ya bo amali bia boga no pay me ne
ohine ire ma me akua ye bo a esiama
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na